Just to
Yeah.
add on,
Sure,
sorry,
sure,
I'm just cutting because every time he says something, I get inspired to say something else. One thing that Savarkar has repeatedly mentioned throughout his works is Kshatra, Kshatra, and Kshatra. The need for physical strength, the need for intellectual strength, and the need to respond in kind. And I think ಇವತ್ತಿಗೂ ಕೂಡ ಸಾವರ್ಕರ್ ಹೇಳಿರುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಲೈನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದು ಎಲ್ರಿಗೂ ಬಹಳ ರೆಲೆವೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿರುವಂಥದ್ದು. ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಅ ಕ್ಯಾಪ್ಸೂಲ್. ಹಿಂದೂಐಸ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್, militarize Hindudom. This was what he said. All politics in the country, whatever political decision, whether it is in electing a person for the office of a panchayat member or to the prime minister, when you Hinduize all politics, the yardstick on which you will decide whom to vote is if this man is going to protect the interests of Hindus. This is the only yardstick. If he does, you will vote for him. This is what he meant by Hinduize all politics. Sir, I will say that today we are seeing this in action. ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಯಾವುದೋ ಅಧಿಕಾರಿಗಳ ತಪ್ಪು ಅಚಾತುರ್ಯದಿಂದ ಒಡೆದಾಗ ನಾ ಮುಂದು ತಾ ಮುಂದು ಅಂತ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನಗಳನ್ನ ಕೋಟಾ ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಒಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಂತ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಸುಲ್ತಾನನ ಭಕ್ತ ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು. ಕಾಂಪಿಟಿಷನ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಟಿಪ್ಪು ಜಯಂತಿನ ಆರ್ಗನೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದಂತ ಕಾಂಗ್ರೆಸ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಯವರು, ಸಿದ್ದರಾಮಯ್ಯನವರು, ಡಿ ಕೆ ಶಿವಕುಮಾರ್ ಅವರು, ಬೇರೆ ಎಲ್ರು ಹಿಂದೂ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ ಒಡೆದಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪು, ನಾವು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವಾಗ ಪ್ರೊಟೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಭೂತದ ಬಾಯಲ್ಲಿ ಭಗವದ್ಗೀತೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಆ ತರ ಆಯ್ತು. ಬಟ್ ಇವತ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅವ್ರು ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ದೇ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಸೊಸೈಟಿ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ಡ್ ಅಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಸಾವರ್ಕರ್ ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ಸೆಡ್, ಹಿಂದೂಐಸ್ ಪಾಲಿಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾಪೆಂಡ್. Mamta Banerjee started chanting Chandi Pata during elections. She started going to her Gotra and Pravara and everything. Rahul Gandhi is doing his temple tour.
Aam Aadmi Party wants to do Ram Rajya anywhere.
Aam Aadmi Party, until very recently, Arvind Kejriwal was dining and wining with Kanhaiya Kumar and Umar Khalid, now suddenly wants to do Ram Rajya in Gujarat. Right? So this is what is Hinduized politics. The second aspect is very important and it is relevant even today. That is militarize Hindudom. By militarize Hindudom, we mean Hindu men and women, Hindu boys and girls, all Bharatiyas must become physically strong and fit. This I say from my personal experience of after having seen the kind of post-electoral violence that has taken place in some parts of West Bengal. Not every time you will have a policeman or the state power to come to protect you. It is you who will have to protect yourself and your family if the predator comes and stands in front of your house. Vikramanna mentioned the centenary of Mopla riots. The lesson that we can draw is only this: 100 years ago, our forefathers, our men, sisters, our mothers were pillaged, raped and murdered. Acknowledge the fact that it happened. Do not let that civilizational amnesia to take over. 2, know that if you do not acknowledge it and take corrective measures, the same pillaging, raping, killing will happen again. And for that, prepare yourself and become physically strong, intellectually strong, economically strong, and so that you are able to mount this response. So that is the importance of Savarkar.
So before independence, Savarkar said for the Hindu